Beep beep, what's up ninjas? My name is Samworld and my job is simple. Make your life easier when it comes to making music so that you can make the music that you love, that you enjoy, and not have to be like, how the hell did I do that? So today we're gonna be looking at how to do this, guys. Now, I'm not gonna say that I'm exactly gonna help you get drops like Kevo, because Kevo have been working on their sounds for years now. You know, Maddox and Ollie James, that's what they specialize in. So I'm not just gonna walk in here like a random guy and say, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to sound exactly like Kevo. No, I'm not promising that, guys, but what I am giving you guys is going to be an idea on how to achieve the sound, which is what I always strive for in these videos. And I hope that when you do figure it out, and if my tutorial helps, is that you differentiate it a little bit to make it more of your own style, because that's the way to do it. Learn how to make music like the pros, and once you know how to do that, differentiate a little bit. Now, you don't have to do it by that lot, so that you have your own unique style. So let's get straight into this video, guys, and see how these free download works and how the Kevo drops, Ladix, Respawn drops work.
Alright guys, so it's time to get down to the fun of this, because honestly using these tools is a lot of fun because you have something to play with. You have a starting point. Now, I have set up here a little quick drop we've made really fast. It's just going to be all the supplementary information that goes with the lead, aka the kick drum, and very standard. Yo, so we got the toms, we got the rolling. I don't even know why I called that a tom. So everything together is just gonna give it, you know, just that. And this is all going to be from the brand new pack we're releasing on Friday. Just a heads up on that if you guys want a big room pack, which there's a lot out there, but this one I tried to make it a lot more unique with tools that I didn't see in other packs, like the Cashmere one and whatnot. Okay, so going straight into this, guys, the first thing we need to do is pick a drop MIDI tool and obviously have our lead set out already. So picking a drop MIDI tool is fairly easy here. Honestly, just pick the rhythm that you like and that works with the song that you have. Make sure it's in the same key though, so D sharp. Okay, so we're gonna go with that, and from here we can start to get inspired from it and just deviate away from it. So I kind of want to have just one shot here, which is like this maybe, and then go here. So here with these type of drops, what we want to do is have fast rhythm and not move around a lot. So so bum bum bum, you know, so that sounds good as it is already. Bum 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 bum. That's what's in my head. So I want to add another note here. Also, the length of the note matters a lot. So if you really want it to be like groovy, like and you're not gonna put a long MIDI note, obviously. So here, see? So what sounds better? Or so to me, this sounds a lot more punchier and a lot more rhythmic. And then we can do maybe something here. So now again, you know, going with that, you're getting feeding off. It's better to start a song with an idea and then turn it into your own, as starting without and then just getting kind of like frustrated about it. You know, so then one of the things they like to do a lot too is that they do introduce melody. They like to do it almost at the fourth bar here. Notice how that sounds really kind of like, it doesn't make sense, but the moment you switch the kick drums now down, that's when it's gonna start to make sense. So essentially we're gonna go -4, which is what they do a lot. Don't, you can hear that, and then +2, I believe. There we go. So then now it's gonna sound something. So obviously right there you would switch to another lead that would really help. So here we have one idea that we have with that, and then from there you would add dun dun, you know, various other things that works with that drop MIDI. You know, so you get the idea of that, and it just keeps going, guys. But hopefully this video helps. Hopefully the drop MIDI tools help you guys get the sound that you want. Again, you know, if you don't like the sound that we're using, for instance, just switch it out. Switch it out for one other one. You know, we have like a lot of presets out there, I'm sure, that you guys have laying around, which you can use. And if you guys are in need for some new, fresh, again, big room presets that sound nothing like it that's out there, make sure to check out the brand new pack coming out on Friday, Festival Revolution Volume 2. And hopefully this video helped you guys out, and hopefully you guys enjoyed watching it. You guys take care, and you guys have an amazing day, ninjas. And again, the download for this free drop MIDI tool is going to be found in the description link.